moisturize my face, and I'm using my Palmer's Cocoa Butter Oil. This one's with vitamin E. Next, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using my Maybelline Master Primer. Next, I'm going to clean my brows using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30. I'm going to go ahead and color correct my face, and I'm just using an old red lipstick. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be applying my Maybelline SuperStay foundation in shade 356. To contour my face, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30 as one of the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Espresso. And to set my face, I'll be using my Mercier setting powder. Set the contour areas of my face using my BH Cosmetics Shade and Define 10 Color Contour Palette. And I'm going to be going in with the darkest brown shade. And for my eyes, I'm going to start by using my Morphe 35 Emboss Nude palette. If you haven't seen my review or first impressions on this palette, feel free to check it out after this video is done. I'm going to start by using a light brown. I'm going to apply that above my crease. And for my sultry palette by ABH Cosmetics, I'm going to go in and apply Cinder. I'm going to go back one more time with the crease color, and I'm just going to make sure that's well blended. I really want to keep this look as simple as possible, so I'm trying to use as little steps as I can. And still from the sultry palette, I'm going to apply Fresh. I'm going to apply this underneath my brow bone. Switching back to the Morphe palette, I'm going to be applying this color to my inner tear duct. Okay guys, I went off camera and applied my lashes. These lashes are from Witty Beauty Lashes. Check them out. I have a discount code. It's been like me 20. You can get 20% off. I've been using their lashes forever. Well, at least for the last 5 months. I only got 3, but I have used and used and reused and used, and they still look good. So yeah, so we're pretty much almost done with the eyes. I just went over just a little bit with just a tiny eyeliner, just to kind of like blend the band of the lashes. And I'm pretty much just gonna apply the crease color to my lower lash line. Should probably use a smaller brush. Okay. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm just gonna set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This one is in shade 355. Okay. To highlight my face, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Cinnamon highlighter. Okay, and lastly we're gonna move to lipstick. I do feel like this look will look really bomb with a nice nude lipstick, but I think I kind of set my mind out to, you know, make this a red lipstick video, so I'm just gonna stick with the red, and I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Stunna Red Lip Paint. This was such a big deal last year, and I think I've only used it like once or twice, so might as well use it today. guys, so that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. I just stepped up a little bit to, you know, fix my hair or put on my wig. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm really loving this look. I'm really living for reds. I love my reds during Christmas, and you know, red's always a classic. So I just thought I'd do this look. It's really simple. It's really easy. I know you can agree with me. The eyeshadow steps were pretty much basic. It's almost Christmas time, and I'm really excited, and I really want to shoot some lovely videos for you guys. So if you guys have any video ideas, just leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.